Um, question. It's chapter 7, section 2, problem 37. The company that makes cola drinks states that the mean caffeine content per 12-ounce bottle is 45 milligrams. You want to test the claim. During your test, you find that a random sample of 30 12-ounce bottles of cola has a mean caffeine content of 45.6 milligrams. Assume population is normally distributed, and the standard deviation is 6.9 milligrams at a level of significance of 0.01. Can you reject the company's claim? Okay, the claim is that the mean caffeine content is the mean caffeine content is 45 milligrams here. And that is your claim. You want to test to see if it's true or not, so the alternative will be not equal to 45. And there is the answer there. Find critical values. We can do that by using StatCrunch. Okay, so we go to stat, usually stat one sample with summary. I put in my sample mean. Standard deviation is 6.9. Sample size is 30. You put in a test here. 45. Equal and not equal. We hit compute. And our z-test statistic is given there. And the p-value is given there. Okay. And since you see our z-test statistic is less than the alpha, our critical value, 2.57. Another way of looking at it is the z-test statistic is closer to 0 than the critical value. It's outside the failure rejection region, so we failed to reject the null hypothesis. So you can see there's our z-test statistic there. Okay. And for the critical values, it's that calculator. It's pointing to the right this time. Hit compute. So for our critical regions here, I have to do half the area. So that's going to be 0.05. Zero five. And we're going to go to the right hand side this time. And that gives me the critical region there. Notice that there's a critical region here, and there's also one on the other side, the negative 2.57. So that's where the critical region z-scores are going to be here. Okay. And so what they'll look like is something like this. There's your rejection regions in blue. You failed to reject that. Okay, we've already showed that. There's not enough reason to reject, so we failed to reject the null hypothesis.